our channel. This is Fatz Bicolana again, guys. And then, kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa akin channel, ano pa hinihintay mo? Subscribe na! Subscribe nyo na ako, guys. Okay? And then, please give a thumbs up if you like this video. Yes, guys. So, now, for today's video, I just want to share it with you guys the perfect shape of my own volcano. Because first time that I go here, you can see the perfect shape of my own volcano because it's sunny during that time. But now, the weather is good. Yes, guys. And it's afternoon here already, by the way. But before we go outside, look at, guys, our base. So beautiful also, right? It's fresh. Like us. We are all fresh. Char. So let's go outside, guys. Let's go! Char. So open natin. Let's open the door. Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Look at our view. So nice. You see that, guys? And then, nice thing here is that you can walk for exercise every morning in there with bike, jogging, or anything that you want to do. So, look at, guys. So beautiful. Ang ganda, diba? Lapit natin. Pwede din tayo bumili ng milk tea sa labas. And then, pwede din kayo dyan mag-park. So relaxing. Okay, guys. So relaxing, guys. Relaxing. Ayan. Ayan kung makikita niya yung view. Hindi natin makikita. So, yeah. Let's go inside, guys. Because I'm hungry. So, let's make coffee. Na, guys, but before that I opened this door, so let's put this. Okay, and then let's turn on the electric fan because I want to take some rest here for a while before I will make my coffee. Oh. We are here inside na, guys. So yeah, I turn on the TV.
I cook this, guys, tofu with chicken. Yes, guys.
And then I use oyster and then mayonnaise, tomato, and then that's all.
You want to know, guys, if it tastes good? Okay, I will taste this for you again. Yes, guys. It tastes good. Yum. Okay, let's make open now.
So first, guys, let's get this heater, okay, to boil water. Okay, let us plug this. Oh, what happened? And then, by the way, guys, the color was changing. Okay, it's nice, right? So we will just wait for a few minutes to boil the water. Color is that? Purple. Lagyan tayo ng tasa. Ayan. And then, oh! Ito yung coffee natin, guys. Green one. Pero hanggat maaari nga, guys, na kung masyadong coffee. Kasi, sabi ng dentist ko, guys, nakakapaano daw pala, guys, ang coffee, yung nakakapanig Lasang kape. Kape pa rin. Okay. Okay na siya. So, meron na tayong coffee. And then, maybe, kuha ako ng bread. Gawin ko tong broccoli. Siguro, i-steam ko lang. Tinanggal ko na yung mga dahon niya, guys, kanina. And, eto na lang natira, guys. Alam nyo, napakasarap nito and maganda sa katawan natin. Kaya lang, sobrang mahal, guys, ng broccoli. At, binili ko siya. Napakalaki ng ano niya. Yung pala dahon lang yung malaki sa kanya. But now, look. So, eto na siya, guys. Ginawa ko na. Yung malambot na part na to, guys, kinuha ko pa rin kasi sayang, di ba? And then, ito na siya, inugasan ko na din. And then, meron na din ako dito ng tubig. So, pakuluin lang natin siya, guys. Ito yung gagamitin natin, guys, sa pagluto. So, saksak lang natin. Let's unplug. Okay. And then, lagay na natin to, guys. Ayan. And then, let's turn it on. Wait lang. And then, kung gusto niyo siya, guys, taasan. Yan, up. Kung mababa lang, guys, down lang. So, down lang ata tayo. Ay, so, tap na 60. Okay, so hintayin lang natin, guys. Kumulo, and then, saka natin ilalagay yung broccoli. Eto na siya, guys. Ganito lang siya. Ano natin? Ito. May misa, guys, oh. Kasi Sunday po ngayon. Lamig dito. So, andito po tayo ngayon sa kwarto. Kakatapos ko lang. So, guys, end ko na po yung vlog na to. Kasi, kakain na po ako. Hindi ko nabibidyohan. Kasi, madami po kakainin ko. So, guys, yan lang. In-update ko lang kayo para mag-impart kayo ng araw ko. Kasi, mahal ko kayo, guys. So, yun po. End ko na to. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe my channel again. I love you po.